Hey, there's just 3 days now to the end of support of Windows 10. So if your business computer has this angled start button, we need to get it onto this one. Why does it matter? Well, I've mentioned this many times. If your business is on Windows 10, it's not getting security updates. Didn't matter a few years ago, but now with AI, it's a critical vulnerability for your business. It could cost you thousands, millions to recover from a serious ransomware instance. Now, Microsoft have got the ESU program, the Extended Security Updates. Now, I see in the comments on my videos, people are very confused because they seem to be thinking that I'm talking about consumer stuff when I'm not. I'm only talking about business stuff. So if you're a consumer and you're in the EU or the UK, they have given a free 12-month extension. Please upgrade to Windows 11 though. It's crazy not to. Don't use any of the hacks to get around it. If you need a new computer, get a new computer. It's a tool that you need to use. Sort it. For businesses, if you're still on Windows 10, you can't upgrade for whatever reason, you can buy the ESU program, the Extended Security Updates. It is not free for businesses. I'll give you a link below. You can read the Microsoft documentation yourself. Microsoft charge about $60. If we decide to say to people, we'll probably charge £100 to install it and set it up for the first year. And the second year, it doubles in price. And the third year, I think it triples in price or doubles in price again. So Microsoft really don't want you using it. But as I keep saying, the risk to your business is if you don't do anything, you've got no security updates, you're wide open, and hackers can use AI to exploit vulnerability. They don't need any skill really whatsoever to do that. And it didn't matter when we had Windows 7, Windows XP, whatever, Windows 95, but now it really, really does. If your business is not yet on Windows 11 and you need help, click on the link below. I'll try and help you get it sorted. Obviously, we're not probably going to do it in the next 3 days, so we need to come up with a plan. But we've probably got about a month to 2 months before we start to see any serious vulnerabilities being exploited. But I would like to see everything off Windows 10 for all the businesses that I know of and work with. Almost all of my clients are done. We've got the last few we're doing now. It's a real headache. And people say, well, why have Microsoft forced us to buy new computers? Well, in a business, you should be replacing your computers every 3 to 5 years anyway. And because of the efficiency of your staff, it's much cheaper just to get a new one. Home users, people that keep commenting on my videos, it doesn't matter if it's really, really slow. It's not my problem. But if you're paying staff, it's going to be cheaper to get a new computer. If you're thinking about not upgrading because you can keep the old ones, it's going to be more expensive in the long term if you get hacked. Unfortunately, ransomware incidents are very rare, but they will destroy your business. £500,000 ransomware, the average demand. Average cost of a ransomware incident is around between sort of £2,000 to £8,000 per staff member. And if you've got that sort of money kicking about, you can afford to buy new computers. If you've got any other thoughts, ideas, let me know below. And obviously there are hacks and ways to get around this, but what you're doing, just do it properly. Hope that helps. Speak to you soon.